Hi guys, and happy Friday. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a brief run through of what we have going on this week, okay? So today we're working on a video of angles that are cut by a transversal. There's going to be a worksheet on angles uploaded and it's gonna be due by May 21st. On Monday, you're gonna have a YouTube video based off of your Pythagorean theorem. Tuesday, we will be working on Khan Academy. That means that you're gonna have to go to the geometry portion. You're gonna hit the unit that's called right triangles, and then you're going to hit the Pythagorean theorem lesson, okay? After that, we have a discussion on Pythagorean theorem in real life. And then you'll see on Thursday is when I want you to already have all of your discussions compiled. So that means you're gonna have 1 to 5. All of those discussions put in the Google Doc and turned in no later than 5/21. Okay, so that's the last day that you guys can turn in any work. Now that's going to be an IB grade and a project grade. Okay, so that was just your brief run through. Take a quick look at that, pause it if you need to just write it down, but that's it. Okay. So what we're gonna go through today are different types of angle relationships when they're cut with a transversal. So by that I mean we have a pair of parallel lines that are cut by this transversal here. So we have corresponding angles. That means these here, so you see how 5 and 7, 1 and 3, 6 and 8, 2 and 4, those are corresponding angles, okay? So they're formed by having corresponding positions. So we have one on the outside, one inside, inside, outside, outside, inside, inside, outside, okay? Now you have your alternate interior angles. So that's exactly what it means. That means that they are on the inside, which means they're in between the two lines, and they're on opposite sides, they're alternate sides. So 2 and 3 are alternate interior angles. 6 and 7 are alternate interior angles, okay? So the next one that we have is your alternate exterior angles. So again, exact same thing. They're on the outside, which means that they fall on the outside of your parallel lines, and they're on alternate sides. So 1 and 4 are alternate exterior, 5 and 8 are alternate exterior. Now those 3 that we just went through, they all have the same angle measurement to each other. So all of my corresponding angles are congruent, alternate interior angles are congruent, and alternate exterior angles are congruent, okay? The last one that we go to is what's called your consecutive interior angles. It also has another name of same side interior, okay? So those are inside and they're on the same side of the transversal. The only difference with these is that they're not congruent to each other, but they are supplementary. So just to review, supplementary means that when you add them together, they equal out to 180 degrees. So that means that if this angle here was 80, this angle here would be 100. This one would also be 100 because they're same side and they're alternate interior angles. And this one would also be 80 because it's an alternate interior angle with this one. Okay, so those are the 4 that we deal with when it comes with angle relationships. So again, this is just a review for geometry for next year. This is a lot of the things you guys start dealing with your proofs and making sure that you understand that 3 out of the 4 of those types of angles are always going to be congruent to each other. So if you're actually just given one of these angle measurements, you can figure out every other angle measurement here. So if you know 1, that means you know that 2, 3, and 4 are going to be the exact same measurement. And if you see here, 1 and 5 actually go on a line. So those 2 again are supplementary angles. So if this one's going to be 100, this one's going to be 80, and then you can figure out all the rest of these just by that information. So just to let you guys know, I will not be here today. So if you're watching this video on Friday, 5/8, I will not be in the office hours that you guys have. I look forward to seeing you guys hopefully at the teacher appreciation parade that PTO is putting on Saturday. And if I don't see you guys, then I will talk to you guys on Monday. Bye.